What's up, my lovelies? Welcome to my channel. I'm your girl Lexi. If you are new, do not forget to join the family, subscribe and be a part of us. If you're a return subscriber, thank you guys so much. Continue to support me. I love y'all. So today is day, I can't remember, day 4 so I think it's day 4. I can't remember. Okay, I'm losing track of time. So we're about to unravel my twist. Yes, this is how we're looking. We're gonna get it right. So to unravel your twist, you're going to need some scrunchies to put away the hair that you're not using, and you're going to need some oil. Right now I'm using coconut oil because my essential oil, the entire bottle, well, it was a tad bit, but I left it open and throw away. So yeah, so get everything you need. Get your snacks if you're not doing it here. Get your juice, get whatever you need, and let's get this on the road. Okay, so I'm gonna take down my hair. So I add in my twists for 2 days. After installing them, I kept them in for 2 days because it's not that I don't like the definition that I get the day after. My definition is popping, it's super popping, but it's so defined to my hair is flat. So I realized that when I do this method of keeping in my twist for more than a day or so forth to let it really set, I get fuller hair and it is defined, and it's not as shrunken because it get time to stretch it, like when you're going to bed and you put it in a puff or thing like that, it gets to stretch. Okay, so let's start this thing. Put up the twist. Gonna start up in the back. My hair is not long enough to get everybody, unless giving me a headache. To get your oil, you don't need a lot. Not a lot. Get like this. Y'all can see a damn thing. Why am I showing y'all? Just get enough oil, a little stronger. And then wait, I have more here to get rid of. So make sure your fingertips are saturated with the oil to prevent you from getting unnecessary frizz. Frizz is good to an extent. Let me create my frizz. I don't want my hair to pull already frizzy. So you get your hair, start from the end, like okay. Bravo. Oh, this is the one that I did with the braid. Because I remember I did start this off one with a braid, but look at the definition though. Y'all seeing it? It's super defined. Let me put this one too. One thing to note is that the process of taking down your twist is much more tedious. It takes a lot of caution and everything like that than when you're installing the twist. So it's not, say for example it takes you an hour to put in the twist, more than likely it's going to take you an hour and a half to take it down, because you have to be extra cautious, especially if you're not looking for a one-day hairstyle. You gotta be careful. So as you guys can see, ooh, we define. So most persons tend to pull out all the hair and then start separating. I don't do that. Look at that. Y'all see no frizz? I thought so. And no gel is on it. I ain't got no gel in my hair. No gel. So the goal when taking down your twist is, when separating your twist, is to find the area that the twist naturally separates. So for example, okay, you want to separate one. Let me try to separate this one. Okay, you pull down on it and you feel for where it naturally separates. You can see it starts separating right here. Then you separate and coil it around your fingers. Let it go. Repeat the same process. Say for example, you unravel one and you see it's a little frizzy. Coil it around your fingers. See the difference? Look at this. So this helps you to maintain your curls, because when you disturb them, they tend to be a little confused. You just, put them back to bed. Go back to sleep, honey. It's not your time. Go back to sleep. So that is what I'm going to do throughout my entire hair. You guys gonna just watch. Okay, so as you guys can see, all my twist is out, and definition is no joke. However, so is shrinkage. Like, look at my hair. My hair. I want you guys to see. I'm gonna give you guys a quick lens check and show you guys the disrespect. Okay, so this will be time to, yeah, does my hair look like a heart to you guys? One side is fluffier than one side. I definitely need a trim, that I will say. But anyways, this is the time now I will go in with my stretch routine, whether it's with eats or without eats. If you guys do not know what I'm talking about, I would definitely link how I stretch my hair down in the description box. All you gotta do is click it, because I know this is cute. Wait, I see my edges. Bam. I'm gonna go in with some Murray's Edge Wax, just a little bit. I ain't going nowhere. No, we ain't. We ain't going nowhere. I'm not trying to sweep anything. We're just trying to tame the nappy parts, because you guys can see that around my earline it's 4C. Disrespect. The disrespect. But I'm cool with it. I ain't no punk. I'ma deal with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, as I said before, do not be afraid to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Don't be stingy with my content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out my last videos if you did not get the chance to. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. It will be linked down below too. Thank you guys. See you next time.